Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery, and today is a quick tip. I love doing these quick tips. They're fast, they're easy, and you just never know when it's going to come in handy. Stay tuned.
Real quickly, I'm just going to show you how to weave in your ends. Now, obviously, these do not go together, but I wanted to make sure you could see really well. So, I'm going to zoom in. What you want to do is you want to pick stitches and go in opposite directions, back and forth, so that, you know, your thread is pretty well buried in there. It doesn't matter what you pick. You don't want to be awkward though. You don't want to go like down here when you first start, because look what that does to your corner. That messes up your corner. You don't want to do that. So, hopefully I can get my needle back out after doing that. There we go. Okay. So what you want to do is first you want to get down here, because you don't really want to fasten off and sew in your ends anywhere near an edge, just in case it gets tugged or pulled. You don't want anything coming out. So I would say if your knot is here, you know, you just fastened off, then I'd say right about here and go down. And then turn it. And then let's see. Well, we obviously can't go under this stitch. Why? Because we just came out of this stitch and that would take it out. So we'll go in the next one and we'll kind of go, you know, under and over in a few of these. So like that. And then maybe back here, I can pick up this stitch right here, and then I can go back this way. And then maybe I can go down again. Get myself away from the sides. And then maybe I can go here. Trying to get myself towards the middle. And then, oh, I split a stitch. So I'm going to go through that one again just so I can get down here. There we go. And then I've gone that way a lot, so let's go this way. Or actually, let's go this way. And then I can go back. Oop, there we go. And then you can go back this way. So basically, you just want to go in and out in weird directions. And then you would fasten this off. I'm going to rip this out because obviously this does not look good. But, you know, and then with your other tail, you do the same. But that's how you weave in an end. So, just like you should know.
Hope you enjoyed the video today. Stay tuned for the next stitch. You never know when I will put up a new video, so turn on those notifications, because you never know. Thank you for joining me today. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Yarn Zebra family. I'd love to have you. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Goodbye.